I'll guide you through how to turn off Emergency SOS on iPhone without sacrificing your essential medical ID or emergency contacts. If you're ready, click the like button and let's get started. On your iPhone, open Settings, scroll down and tap Emergency SOS. This opens the Critical Safety menu. Toggle off Call, Withhold, and Release. This stops a loud countdown and automatic dial when you squeeze the side buttons. Toggle off Call with 5 button presses. This prevents the phone from dialing if you accidentally mash the side button 5 times. If you have an iPhone 14 or newer, toggle off Call after severe crash. This disables the automatic emergency call triggered by the crash detection sensors. Now open the Health app and tap the Summary tab. Select your medical ID. This confirms your emergency contacts and medical data are still accessible from the lock screen, preserving your safety.
Please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Apple video tutorials. Thanks for watching.